Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can play Fortnite on school Chromebook. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Chrome browser on your device and search for Xbox Cloud Gaming. Now give it a go and a bunch of search results will be displayed. Here, access the first website and sign into your account. After that, click on the search bar at top right corner of your screen and search for Fortnite. Now hit enter and you can see that the game is available. In order to play it, click on it, then click on the play button at the left side. Since I haven't signed into my account, I can't play it. But if you are signed in, there will be a play button instead of this sign in embed. The other way you can play Fortnite is by using the GeForce Now website. For that, search for GeForce Now in a new tab, open this website, and then navigate to the shop webpage. Here, click on the search icon and search for Fortnite. After that, use any of the available links and play the game. That's how you can play Fortnite on school Chromebook. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.